Have you ever wondered why your clients do what they do, sometimes sabotaging their efforts and almost destroying their own dreams? Or maybe you wonder why you do what you do. Hi, my name is Rod McDonald. I'm the CEO of the Certified Coaches Federation and a speaker, coach, and author. I have over 30 years experience working with clients and speaking on stages in Australia, New Zealand, China, and across North America. I believe that coaching is not just a transaction, but actually a sacred trust to help and support another human being. Early in my career, I would get so frustrated with clients, employees, and others that would set goals and then sabotage themselves. And yes, of course, I've made my own share of mistakes, not always knowing why at the time. But what I found was there wasn't just one simple answer. The answers I found over my career have allowed me to help more people than I can count, and I want to share these answers with you. I'm inviting you to attend a workshop I'm conducting called Crack the Code of Human Behaviour: Why Clients Do What They Do. By attending this workshop, I'm going to share with you tools, techniques, and insights that will help you understand and serve your clients at a higher level than ever before. The reason why this is going to be a great experience for you is because it's not just one perspective. I'm going to share with you 10 different ways you can better understand your clients, including the evolutionary basis of human behavior, the influence of culture, age, and gender, the influence of physical and mental health, as well as something that's being called humanity's master code. But I'm going to teach you even more than that. You'll see that the small investment of time and money you put in to attend will be rewarded by a massive return. Now, we've made it so affordable that you really can't say no, but we're also offering you a ton of bonuses if you take one of our upgrades. You have virtually nothing to lose because you have over 30 years experience right here and right here, just waiting to share this information with you. Please register today because attendance will be limited. To make the choice just a little bit easier, I'm going to give you a gift. That's going to be my chapter from our CCF book called Adversity to Adaptability. The name of that chapter is The 7 Beliefs of the Indestructible Human. That alone is worth your time. So please register today so together we can help make the world a better place.